All right, guys. Wellneum sent us a sweet package here. This is the daily fruits and daily greens double package. So super cool. Not gonna lie. We're gonna get into this. It's naturally occurred nutrients on both of them. Whole fruit blend, whole greens, and veggie blend. Let's go ahead and see if we can get them opened up here. The packaging is super sweet, and I do think they do a good job with that. I like that you can see them. This is a more traditional style gummy there. So for the daily greens, it is 2 gummies, and you got 30 servings here with regards to it. Go ahead and take a look at the supplement facts on it. And let's move it all the way around so you can see the usage aspect right there. So hopefully you're able to dial into that. It says take 2 gummies per day and chew thoroughly with regards to them. Let's go ahead and see what the other is. Now, I am a sucker for peach. So this makes me super excited. It is whole fruit blend, and peach is the leading flavor and fruit. Super excited. Let's go ahead and take a look at the supplement facts right there. 15 fruits and vitamins within it. Yep. And there is your guide. So same thing, 2 gummies per day, which is super important. Let's go ahead and crack these open. See if they got a smell to them. I think that's going to smell peachy. I'm curious as to what this one smells like, the greens. Very curious to it. Fantastic packaging. All right, ready? We got an opening here. It smells green. I don't know. I'm terrible at describing something that doesn't have like a real... It smells very earthy. Smells very greeny, veggie-y. I don't know. Got like an apple flavor to it, maybe. Very, very earthy apple flavor. That's what I would give that. The smell is like a green apple, but very earthy version of it. So I'm definitely digging those. That's kind of cool. I'm super excited to add these to the daily items that I need to be taking just to keep up and make sure that I'm healthy, which is super important. Just kind of staying up with the times. Let's see if we can get into this peach. I'm excited. I'm a sucker for anything peach. So this is going to make it easy. These are going to be like candy to me, I bet. Oof, this smells like peach rings. Oh my goodness. It's really hard to describe some things sometimes. This is 2 gummies per day, but it smells like peach rings. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's got it right there. Man, and check out that. That is super cool. Got the peach in it. Here's what we'll tell you. It's not as strong peach flavored as I thought it would be, but it tastes like peaches. It tastes like actual, like normal peach, not like the enhanced peach flavor. But man, am I excited. Guys, get your Wellneum. This is their daily greens, daily fruit supplements. You definitely should check these guys out if you're looking to keep up with it and work on your wellness. Check it out.